Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Poppy Playtime Chapter 5 game not launching or not opening won't start showing black screen error on PC. So let's jump to the solutions. Well, the very first method is to restart your PC. So for that, click on the Windows icon, click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC once your PC restarts. Now log into the game and check if you can play it. If not, next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game. Now right click on it, click on properties. Click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So once the game files are verified, after that try to launch the game and check if you can play it. Next is to allow the game through firewall. For that go to the search option, search for Windows security. After that here you have to click on firewall network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. Now here you have to search for the game if it's listed. So search for the game. The game is listed over here. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse. After that go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. After that select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, and after that click on OK. Finally launch the game and check. Next solution is to run the game as administrator. So for that go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Here is the game application, right click on it, properties, click on compatibility, and here select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check. If this doesn't work, come back again. If not, come back again, select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check. If this also doesn't work, come back again, select disable full screen automatizations, click on apply and OK, and after that check if you can play the game. But if the issue still continues, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK, and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to modify launch option. For that go to Steam, under library section select your game. Now right click on it, click on properties. Under general here you have to enter the launch option, that is -DX11, and then try to launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again, type -DX12 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working. If this also doesn't work, come back again, type -D3D11 and then try to launch the game and check now if the game is opening or not. But if the issue still continues, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to update your graphics card. For that go to the search option, search for device manager. Now here you have to expand display adapter, select a graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for driver. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. After that launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next is to disable in-game overlay. So Steam users, just go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings, click on in-game, and here you can see enable the Steam overlay while in-game option. If it is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable this, now launch the game and check. Next is to check graphic settings of the game. So when the graphic settings are not properly set up, like texture quality, resolution, etc., then it directly impacts the game. And this is where the game can crash or suffer from other issues. So make sure to set up the settings properly or even lower the graphic settings to avoid any kind of unwanted issue. Next is to install Visual C++ files. So for that I have already provided the link in the description. Simply copy and paste it in your browser. Now once the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download. Once it is downloaded, you will have to open it. You will get repair or install option. So click on repair and wait for some time. Now after you get successful message, close this. After that restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again log into the game and check if you can play it. Next is to close unnecessary background tasks. For that go to the search option, search for task manager. After that here under background process tab you have to check for those apps which are running in the background. So for that you have to select those apps which are running in the background and close it. So select them, right click on it and then click on end task. After that launch the game and check. Next is to increase virtual memory. For that go to the search option, search for view advanced system settings, click on settings, click on advanced, click on change, select the drive where your game has been installed. After that select custom size. In the initial size you have to type 12288 and in the maximum size you have to type 24576. Click on set and then click on OK. Finally launch the game and then check if you can play the game. If not, next is to disable antivirus software. So if there is any antivirus software installed on your system, you are suggested to disable it before you launch the game and then try to play it. Next solution is to update Windows. For that go to the search option, search for settings, click on Windows Update, click on check for updates. So this will check and update your Windows to the latest version, and once it is done, now launch the game and check. Next is to run the game as dedicated graphics card. So for that go to the search option, search for graphic settings. After that here you have to add your game to the list. So for that click on add a desktop app. After that you have to go to the game folder where your game has been installed. From here you have to select the game application, add it to the list over here. After that click on the arrow icon. Under GPU preference you have to select high performance, and after that try to launch the game and check. But if the issue still continues, then you are suggested to reinstall Poppy Playtime Chapter 5 game. For that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game. Now right click on it, click on manage. Now click on uninstall. Fine, click on uninstall option. This will remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again launch Steam and again reinstall Poppy Playtime Chapter 5 game, and finally click on the play button to check whether it's working or not.